If you've been experiencing hair breakage and it's been going on for a while now, you've tried everything, you've tried all things that you've read and everyone has said, and it's not stopping, then you need to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use this DIY ancient formula to stop hair breakage. This is something that has worked for me and I believe it will work for you. Without wasting much time, let's get started with this video. The word for today is: He has made everything beautiful in its time. He has also set eternity in the human heart. Yet no one can fathom what God has done from beginning to end. This is taken from the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 11. Welcome to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Let's get started. Now look at this. This is okra. It is called okra, but when you want to use it for soup, we call it okra soup. It is quite popular as a food, but today we are going to be using it as a hair treatment. So first things first, make sure your okra is washed, thoroughly washed, because it can be dirty at times, and then you're going to slice it up into different small pieces using your knife or your grater, whatever you can use. Make sure to slice that up, and once you are done with that, we're going to set it aside and boil some hot water. I'll be pouring in hot water to this okra gel. I'll be pouring in hot water to this okra because it is what I have been using. This method is what I have been using. Although a lot of people also boil, they prefer to boil it in hot water and then set it aside, get cold. But I feel like this method is faster for me, or it's better, because while I'm here cutting the okra into tiny pieces, my water is on the fire boiling, and before you know, I'm done with whatever I'm doing. So you're going to add that hot water to your okra, and then you're going to let it sit for some time. Preferably you're going to let it sit for 4 hours if you can. Make sure that it's cold when you open it after 4 hours. Now if you can't do this method, an alternative is to just put normal room temperature water and leave it for some hours. Trust me, it's going to give you the same result, if not even better. Okay, I've used that one before. Just put in normal room temperature water and leave it for like 6 to 8 hours if you have the time, and then you can come back later. Trust me, it's going to be slimy. You can also boil it if you like. For me, I prefer to use this hot water method, and then look at it after some hours. Trust me, I didn't even leave it up to 4 hours because I needed to do this very quickly. I needed to wash my hair that very day, and I love it this way. Now if you notice, it's not plenty, and that's because I prefer it this way. Please do not use plenty okra. If you use plenty okra, your mixture is going to be very thick, and when you want to sieve it out, it will be hard for you to sieve it out. Next thing you're going to do is to sieve it. You're going to pass it through a cheesecloth or through a drainer or a strainer. Anything works for it. I'm using a cheesecloth, and trust me, if I had a strainer, I would have preferred it because it would have been easier for my gel to come out. But if you're using a cheesecloth or any lining at all, then it still works. All you have to do is to make sure to press it out with your hands, because it's slimy. It's going to take a while before it comes out. Now I prefer it this way because if it gets thicker than this, if you put less water, it's going to be thicker than this, and it's going to be hard for you to strain. If you also use too much okra, trust me, it's going to be hard for you to strain. So just make sure that it's not too slimy. Make sure that it's not too thick. Make sure that it's like this, just very light. Because trust me, if you leave this okra for some time, if you leave this gel for some time, it's going to get very thick. Now the weather is quite cold, so you know it hardens a lot of things, right? So you want to make sure that it's quite light, so that once you're using it, to be easy for you to use. The next step is to transfer it to an applicator bottle, and trust me, I love this very well. But before I do that, I'm going to put in some hair growth oil, and this is what I just learned recently, to use hair growth oil inside my mixture. This is because the liquid is, it's liquid, and when you add hair oil, it kind of locks the moisture into your hair. That's what hair oil does. It seals the moisture. I'm going to transfer it into my applicator bottle, and this is the applicator bottle I'm using. I'm using a bottle of my of my leave-in conditioner that got finished, but if you have a proper applicator bottle, it is better. Trust me, you can also freestyle any bottle you like and turn it into your applicator bottle. There are no rules to things like this. This is what we have: this greenish fluid, this greenish shell and gel like substance, and that is what we are going to be using. This is my hair, and trust me, it is best to always use Okro Gel when you want to wash your hair. Like if you want to wash your hair today, you can use Okro Gel today. It's going to serve as a pre-poo. You can use Okro Gel as a pre-poo agent. You can also use Okro Gel as a deep conditioner. In this tutorial, I'm using it as a pre-poo agent, and I've used it several times on this channel. If you go to my channel, scroll down to my channel, you see that I have other tutorials that I've used Okro Gel before. I have also over the time learned and perfected the right way to use Okro Gel. Also, some people prefer using it as a leave-in. They leave it in their hair. Please do not do that. If you do that, it's going to eat you so bad. Trust me, these are natural plants, and trust me, they are very potent. So you don't want to leave it on your hair for a long time. Once you have the Okro Gel with you, make sure to spray your hair, damp it a little. Do not make your hair run with water. Trust me, this can make a mess, so you want to be very careful. Damp your hair a bit with water, and then you can now use the Okro Gel. It will be easier for the gel to glide through your hair. Now look at how it's gliding through my hair. Next thing you're going to do is to use your fingers to detangle it. Ladies, look at me. Use your fingers. If possible, skip the comb or the brush, but you can also use the comb or brush, but make sure you use your fingers to detangle properly before you use the brush. You can see the brush I am using an unbrushed brush. Do not use any kind of brush. Do not use a rat tail comb. You're going to lose your hair. The essence of this is because when you take down your hair and you're preparing for wash day, you have to detangle first. You need something slimy enough to help you detangle properly. If you just detangle your hair just like that, your hair will break, your hair will shed a lot, and this is one of the major cause of hair breakage and hair loss. Imagine growing your hair over the month with a protective hairstyle, and then when it's time to wash, you lose everything. So that is why Okro Gel is very important. Aside the other nutrients that it has, I'm going to be telling you in this video, aside the other nutrients, it also helps to give you that slimy nature that it will be easier for you to detangle your hair. Trust me, after this process, when I got into the bathroom to wash my hair, in fact it was very easy. My hair was easy to wash. There was no tangle at all, and I enjoyed the process. If you do this before every wash day, like every wash day you do this, you are not going to have issues with hair breakage. Trust me, because Okro Gel has helped me a lot, and I believe it will help you. Another substitute for Okro Gel is flaxseed gel or aloe vera gel. If you do not have okra where you are, but you have aloe vera, you can extract the gel and use. Or if you have access to flaxseed gel, you can use. I'm not using flaxseed gel because it is quite expensive and okra is cheaper. So why not use okra? Aside that, it doesn't have a bad odor, it doesn't have a bad smell, which is one of the reasons why I love Okro Gel so much. Okro Gel is rich in a lot of vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals, magnesium, potassium, and zinc that nourishes your hair follicles and supports keratin production, which is the primary protein in hair. This helps fortify strands and helps to reduce slip ends. So you can see what I'm saying about helping you to avoid breakage, to stop breakage, and help your hair grow. If you're watching at this point, then it means you love this video. So why not support your girl by clicking on this video, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it to other girls in your groups, in your WhatsApp group, in your community, so that they can also see what you have learned. A lot of black girls, trust me, they want to see this, but they do not have access to it. So let me know what you also think about this video and whether you've used it before. Ask me any other questions. I'll be in the comment section to reply you. So this is how it's looking like, and I did not even spend up to 30 minutes doing this process. Once you are done, you want to make sure to wrap it with a nylon or a shower cap, or if you have a steam cap, you can just wrap it up and leave it for 15 minutes. I wrapped it with a nylon, and I also used a satin hair tie to wrap it. I left it for 15 minutes. You can leave it, if your hair is low porosity, you can leave it up to 30 minutes, but my hair is high porosity, so I didn't have to leave it for that long. And then when you are done, make sure to wash your hair. Do not leave this on, do not leave this in. Also, I forgot to tell you, make sure to do this process in your bathroom, because this can create a lot of mess. Ladies, look at how I was looking after this whole process. Thank you so much for watching. Ask me any questions, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.